Hi student, this is our next video relating to the management accounting. So the next topic is difference between the financial accounting and the management accounting. This management accounting chapter itself, it is a theory chapter, and this chapter is mainly helpful for the 5 marks questions. So 5 marks questions ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so the next concept is ours. We have already discussed with a meaning, definitions, and the nature of an management accounting. Okay, so the next is difference between the financial accounting and the management accounting. So the financial accounting, it records the business transactions. It records the business transactions, day-to-day transactions in a systematic manner. Financial accounting ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ recording the business transactions, recording the day-to-day business transaction in a systematic manner. Management accounting ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this is an accounting. This provides the accounting information to the management for the decisions taking or for the making any plans and all. Financial accounting andre it records the business day-to-day business transaction in a systematic manner. Management accounting andre it provides the accounting information to the management for the decision taking or for the making any plans and all. So what is the difference between these two? So financial accounting, it is very old one. Financial accounting is old. Management accounting, it is a recent one. Okay, and the financial accounting, it is compulsory for the business. Financial accounting is compulsory for the business, and it is not a compulsory, it is optional to the business. And financial accounting is independent. Okay, and management accounting, it depends on the financial accounting information. Financial accounting, it is independent, it will not depends on anything. It will depend on the management accounting, but the management account depends on the financial accounting for the accounts information. And the what is the primary object of the financial accounting is that to know how much profit or the loss of the company, and to know the financial position of the company. And the management accounting, the primary object ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು providing the accounting information to the management for taking the decisions or making any plans. Okay, and for discharging its functions. Okay, the financial accounting, the primary object ಏನು preparing the to know the how much to know the profit and loss account, and to know the what is the financial position. And the ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು management accounting the providing the accounting information to the management for discharging its function. And financial accounting, it uses the historical data, uses the past data for preparing the financial statement, and uses the historical data as well as the present data for preparing the plans. It uses the historical data. Management accounting uses both historical data as well as the present data. This is the difference between the financial accounting and the management accounting. Differences they may ask. Okay, what is the difference between the financial accounting and the management accounting? This entire management accounting chapter itself, it is important for the 5 marks. Anything they may ask, we cannot expect this question only they are going to ask and all. Okay, so the next concept, the next difference is difference between the cost accounting and the management accounting. Here we have to make a difference between the cost accounting and the management accounting. Cost accounting, it is accounting used for this is cost accounting is it will records the how much cost has been incurred to produce the ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಟು ನೋ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ಟು produce or manufacture the product. Okay, the scope is of the cost accounting is narrow. It is a small, because it will not considers any other accounts like ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಎದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ relates to a cost. Cost accounting only relates to a cost account, how much cost has been incurred to manufacture the product. It will not considers other accounts and all. Management accounting, the scope is wide because it will includes all the accounts like a financial accounting ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ the primary the primary object the primary object of the cost accounting is to know how much cost has been incurred to produce the product. The primary object of cost accounting is to know how much cost has been incurred to produce the product. The primary object of the management accounting is to take the decisions. The primary object of the management accounting is to providing the accounting information to the management for taking the decisions. Management accounting ದು ಮೇನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗು ಡೇಟಾನ ತಾನೇ ಸ್ವಂತವಾಗಿ ಜನ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ this management accounting will not generate the data on its own. Okay, cost accounting will not generate, management accounting will not generate the data on its own, and it will cost accounting will generate the data on its own. And cost accounting deals only with the cost items. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಷ್ಟ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೀಲ್ ವಿತ್ ನಾನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ನಾನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಡ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ರೆಂಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ತರೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೀಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಬೋತ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ನಾನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. Financial accounting is used by both the users, both the parties, internal as well as the external users. It is used by both the users. This financial accounting information ibru use ಮಾಡಿ, both the users, internal users as well as the external users. But the management accounting information is used by the internal users only. Management accounting information is used by the internal users only, and the financial accounting information is used by both the users. Okay, I hope so everyone is cleared with the both the differences, like a difference between the financial accounting and the management accounting, and the difference between the cost accounting and the management accounting. Thank you.